Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add products to Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. Alright, so first up, go ahead and go to the left panel, click on Products. And then in here, there'll be a big Add button if this is your first time. Okay, if not, you go ahead and click on Add Product right here at the very top. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and give it a title. But for now, before adding a title or description, make sure that you add up your media. So for example, I'm trying to sell this computer right here. Wait for it to load. Or while it's processing, you can go to the top, give it a name, for example, computer, specs right here, and then scroll down. Choose a category. Sometimes the AI right here auto-categorizes it. For example, this one. If not, you just go ahead and click on this drop down. Now, once that's done, go ahead and add in your price. For example, this one is 10,000 pesos. Okay. Scroll down. Inventory. How much do you have? Or how many do you have? So you're going to go ahead and add in one. Scroll down, add in the shipping details. For example, you have here a sample box or manage your packages right here if you want a more custom size. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and add in sample box. Product weight, maybe 5 kilograms, just for example. Scroll down, you're going to add in some variants. For example, you have, or you're trying to sell a shirt, okay? Just add in some variants. Now we have here the color. Sometimes it's auto-filled. If not, just go ahead and add it in manually. Graphics card type, I'm just going to go ahead and add in a dedicated. All right. Then processor family, I'm going to go ahead and choose AMD Ryzen. Okay. Now here we have the search engine listing or the SEO. Okay. Now go ahead and scroll up. Make sure that the status right here is set to active. Or if you want to, you can make it to draft, listed, publish to what? All channels, product organization, search or add product type. This is, for example, personal computer. I'm going to go ahead and add it so that the next time you add in a computer, or if you wanted to sell a computer, you could just go ahead and call the same tag. Vendor, my store, collections, you can go ahead and add a collection right here and add in some more tags. PC, computer, add in some more. Once that's done, scroll down. Theme template, just set it to default. And after that, actually, you're good to go. You can go ahead and scroll all the way down, click on save. Wait for it. It says here, product created. Okay. And here we have it. I'm going to go ahead over to your product section once more. As you can see, you now have this computer. That's basically it. That is how you add products to Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.